All right, let's talk. I'm about to say something that might ruffle a few feathers in the car industry, but needs to be said. This is what I wish every customer knew before walking into a dealership. And no, it's not sales talk, it's real straight up Canadian car market truth. Let's go.
Let's go.
So, first off, the car market has completely changed in the last few years. COVID, yeah, that flipped everything. Supply chains broke down, new vehicles were delayed, and used vehicle prices shot through the roof. Before you could walk in, haggle a bit, and expect some wiggle room. Now, inventory is getting tighter, costs are up, manufacturers are slowly catching up, but we're still not back to the old normal. In Canada, especially, we're seeing way more demand than supply in certain segments SUVs, hybrids, trucks, you name it. So when people say, I'll wait for prices to drop, I get it, but it's not always that simple. Timing the market is a risky move. Here's the deal trying to time the market, waiting for prices to drop or rates to drop can really backfire on you. Let me give you a great example. I had a client last year who passed on a 23 Silverado because they thought rates would drop in a few months. Fast forward to today, that same truck is now $1,500 more, and the interest rates actually went up a little bit. That decision cost them thousands. And that's not a one off story. I see it all the time. So if you're holding out for the perfect time, it might never come. The best time to buy is when it's right for you, not when someone else says it might be. Let's talk used cars for a second now. People say, I'll just buy used. It's cheaper. But in a lot of cases, it's really not. I've seen 2 or 3 year old vehicles priced within $2,000 of a brand new one. And with higher finance rates on used, you could end up paying more overall for the used option. The math does not lie. Ask us to run the numbers. You might be very surprised. New might actually save you money in the long run. So what should you do? Here's the play. Know your budget. Not just monthly payments, but look at the total cost. Ask questions. The good salespeople like myself will be very transparent. Don't get stuck on old advice. This market is much different now. And seriously, talk to someone who knows the market. We work in it every day. Google is great, but it's not local. It's not updated hourly. And it doesn't know what's landing off the truck tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm going to start dropping weekly content just like this to help you, the car buyers, make smart car buying decisions. And if you're shopping or just have questions, drop a comment or shoot me a message. I answer every single one. I'm Chris Swick at Bennett GM in Cambridge, Canada's honest car guy. I'll see you in the next video.